Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eleftheria and I'm a massage instructor and author. In this video, you'll see me being massaged by a student of my flow school. Enjoy! Start by placing your forearm on the outer side of the client's lower leg. Use your body weight to gradually increase pressure as you move your forearm up the leg. Move your forearm in slow, gliding motions. Next, we'll work with knuckles. Place your knuckles on the outer side of the client's lower leg, just above the ankle or whenever you intend to start. Apply firm but controlled pressure by leaning into the stroke with your body weight. You can also work with the entire palm. Now apply slow, firm pressure with your thumb, moving along the length of the fibularis longus muscle. You can use your other hand for support and balance if needed. The same deep tissue technique can be performed with knuckles as well. Just try to detach the muscle from the bone. You can also work with the elbow. Now work with your thenar and hypothenar eminences. Simultaneously mobilize the ankle in order to work deeper. Now perform a long, gliding motion with the knuckles. Work with the entire palm for a more soothing technique. And use the forearm again. Work again with the thumb. This allows more precise work. Work again with the knuckles. And again with the elbow. Now we'll see techniques for the thigh. Bend the client's leg and start working with long gliding strokes. Then start working with knuckles. These are good techniques for the quadriceps muscle. This forearm technique is a winner here. And this is an excellent technique for the iliotibial band. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and to check out my books in Amazon. You'll find me there as Eleftheria Mantzorou. Be always healthy and happy.